This video is for small and medium business owners who are wondering if the GoHighLevel CRM is actually worth the investment in 2026 and whether it can be the missing piece in your business. I'm Trina, and I help businesses build marketing and sales systems using GoHighLevel that actually generate measurable revenue, not just dashboards and reports. Most business owners either overspend on tools they don't use or they struggle with fragmented systems that leak leads, waste time, and block growth. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a full review of the GoHighLevel CRM, what it really does, how it works in real business scenarios, what's worth using, where it falls short, and whether it's the missing piece for your business. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll break down the exact features you should be using, the ones you can skip, and how to set it up so it starts driving results in your business. All right, so let's strip away the hype. GoHighLevel is not just a CRM. It's not just automation. And it's definitely not just a marketing tool. It's a business growth operating system. Here's the simplest way to understand it. It combines a CRM, marketing automation, sales pipeline management, forms and funnels, a phone system, social media marketing tools, AI agents, reporting, and analytics all in one platform. Now, here's the big picture. Most businesses today are using one tool for email, one for texting, social media, forms, funnels, pipeline tracking, maybe another for scheduling, and a separate phone system. That's super chaotic. Most businesses use 6 to 8 tools to do what GoHighLevel does in one platform. And the real value? Everything talks to everything. All right, so let's break down the features that actually move revenue. Opportunity pipeline. Now, this is where most of the magic happens. Every lead moves through stages: new lead, contacted, booked appointment, won, or lost. Instead of spreadsheets, guessing, or memory, you can literally see how many leads are sitting untouched, who needs follow up, whether deals are getting stuck, and that visibility alone increases revenue. Next up is automated follow ups, and this is the revenue driver. You can build SMS sequences, email sequences, voicemail drops, missed call text backs that run 24/7. So, if someone fills out a form at 10:42 p.m., they get an instant response. That cuts time to contact from hours to seconds. And that's how you win. Next up is built-in forms and funnels. So instead of using 3 different platforms, you can build landing pages, lead forms, basic funnels, and when someone submits to the form, it goes directly into the CRM pipeline. So no Zapier chaos, no leads are lost in your email, for example. The next up is social media marketing. This is a feature that doesn't get talked about enough. Inside GoHighLevel, you can manage and schedule your social media content directly from the platform. So that means you can plan your posts in advance, schedule content across platforms, view everything in one calendar, keeping marketing consistent without jumping between tools. So, for small to medium sized businesses, consistency is usually the problem, not creativity. Most businesses don't struggle with what to post, they struggle with actually posting consistently. This solves that. Now, here's the real strategic advantage. When your social media When your social media is connected to your CRM system, leads from social campaigns feed directly into your pipeline. Comments and messages can trigger automations. You can retarget and follow up automatically. So instead of social media being brand awareness only, it actually becomes part of your revenue system. And that's the difference because marketing should not live separate from sales, it should feed it. And that's what this feature allows you to do. All right, so what's not worth overhyping? Let's be honest. Not everything inside Go High Level is revolutionary. Okay, so the calendars, it's good, but it's not industry leading. Um, Also, like the website builder inside Go High Level, it's functional. It even has build with AI, which is cool. Um, but the design is basic, which is why I build custom websites myself. Also, like community and memberships, it's helpful, but it's not magical. Okay, so basically, you want to use what moves your business forward, not what looks cool. Okay, so the power of Go High Level isn't the flashy features, it's the system because it's all in one. All right, so the pros and cons of Go High Level, it's an all in one CRM plus automation plus messaging. It has huge time savings. It's a better follow up because it equals more revenue. It has built-in reporting, which is awesome, and it's central. Also has centralized communication. Now, the cons would be, there is a learning curve, but it's worth learning. Some interface quirks, features overlap if you already have tools, but no tool is perfect, okay? But this one pays for itself if you use it right. So if you buy it and don't build systems, it won't magically fix your business. So let me give you a couple of examples. So let's just say a service contractor installs this properly before, leads weren't responded to until like 2 to 6 hours later. They had no pipeline tracking, no automated follow-up. Now, after implementing Go High Level, leads are responded to in under a minute, automated text message follow-ups, you have pipeline visibility, missed call text back is enabled. And the result, you're going to see a major increase in conversions, lost leads are going to be recovered, clear monthly reporting. And this isn't just theory, this is measurable impact. So when you control speed and follow up, revenue increases. Who should use Go High Level? This is perfect for small to medium sized businesses with fragmented systems, businesses doing manual follow up, service businesses losing inbound leads, companies wanting to scale without increasing ad spend. If you're already paying for 4 to 6 tools, this simplifies everything. Now, you might not need Go High Level if you already have a centralized CRM system that's running perfectly, your pipeline is already automated, your follow up is instant, and you're not trying to scale. Or you just don't care about optimizing growth. So, is Go High Level worth it in 2026? I would say yes, if you use it as a system and not just a tool. So, if you want measurable pipelines, automated follow up, centralized sales tracking, revenue visibility, then yes, it's probably the missing piece for you. So, I've built ready to plug in workflows, pipelines, and templates you can launch this week, and I'll personally walk you through it. Drop a comment or check the link below. Let's build a system that actually scales. Or if you want 30 days to try the software for free, my link is also in the description. See you in the next one.